Okay, today I came again to maintain the farm as usual, the young farm, the 3 years old young farm. I told you basically the maintenance strategy is to keep the farm very clean. So I came to clear the farm. So you can see I planted it in line. See this line? You can see it's in line. And then see the second line. Second line is this way. So I've cleared this portion today. So see the other parts of the farm. It's still bushy. So from next week, I will enter this side and clear. So you can see the ones that the first batch that survive. See, they are growing very big. See the first batch that survive. While the other ones that I came and replaced, yeah, they are still young. You can see these ones are still young. I just replaced this one that did not survive the last time. So you can see how the farm is looking now. It's clean. So you see, basically, what disturbs the growth of the farm is that if there are grasses surrounding it, the grasses will be dragging it down. It will not have space, to not have free space to grow fast. So as it is now, you see, if air can touch it easily and it can grow. So see, see myself here. Yes, I've worked today. I'm tired. I want to go and rest. So if you like this job I'm doing, like and subscribe. If you have any question regarding how to set up your own palm plantation, contact me. Ask, raise the question in the comment section. I will guide you through. Yeah, it's a very good business because it's a sustainable investment. As I said, it will last for so many years, like 50 and above. Yeah, it's a generational cash crop. Yeah. So what I did today, or what I did today is um, maintenance. Let me come and show you this one that is already fruiting. The first batch. The other one that I showed you last time that is fruiting is inside there. Yes, it's inside there. But let me show you this one. This one too is part of the first batch. It's bringing out a very tiny bunch there. You can see. So showing shine that it has started fruiting. So from next year, not even next year, this is just this is April. This is March. Last week of March. Today is 28th of March. So by April, I'll come and apply fertilizer. Then from rainy season, around July, August, I'll come and make a video of this very place so that you will see. Every place here will be very green. The growth will be surprising to you. You'll see how massive the growth will be. All these ones will be very big in just few months. You'll see how fast. That is why this new variety, this improved variety is very good. The growth is faster than the local species. Yes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.